So this is another key to overcoming stress in life. One of the reasons why we become so stressed out is because in this world today, we are constantly comparing ourselves with others. Have you noticed? Right? We're looking at other people's achievements, we're looking at other people's possessions, we're looking at other people's positions, we're looking at other people's husbands or wives. We're looking at all these people around us and we're comparing ourselves to them. And for most of us, it's making us incredibly depressed. But what Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita is he says, follow your own path. Don't try to copy, compare, or compete with anyone else. Because everyone has their unique contribution to make in this world. And oftentimes we measure our success by comparing with someone else, but that's not a good way to measure your success, because you have your path and they have their path. Einstein, he said, everyone is a genius, but if you convince a fish that it has to climb a tree, it will live its whole life thinking it's a failure. So a fish is not meant to climb a tree. A fish is meant to swim in the sea. Oh, I should be a poet.